guys, welcome back to Drive Vault. Imagine pulling up to a campsite in this absolute beast of a machine, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. Just look at it. If you thought motorhomes couldn't get any more futuristic, Volvo just raised the bar so high, it's practically orbiting the moon. This thing looks less like a traditional RV and more like something out of a sci-fi movie. A rolling luxury mansion that happens to also conquer the open road. From the outside, it's incredible not to be blown away by the design. The bold, aerodynamic shape cuts through the air like a supercar, with those sleek LED headlights and that massive panoramic windshield wrapping around the front like the cockpit of a spaceship. The gold-accented wheels and the razor-sharp lines along the body make it look aggressive, yet elegant. Exactly what you'd expect from Volvo if they decided to blend their Scandinavian design philosophy with a futuristic vision of travel. It's big, it's tall, it's commanding, and it turns heads instantly. You can already imagine the crowd forming when this thing rolls into a rest stop. Now, step inside, and that's where the magic really begins. Volvo didn't just design a motorhome, they designed a full-on luxury experience on wheels. Imagine walking into a space where modern Scandinavian minimalism meets cutting-edge technology. You've got a full living room with wide, floor-to-ceiling windows, letting in natural light and framing those mountain views perfectly. The materials feel premium everywhere. Soft touch leather seating, natural wood finishes, ambient LED lighting that adjusts to your mood. It's like a luxury apartment that just happens to move wherever you want. The kitchen? It's a dream. Full-sized appliances, smart storage solutions, induction cooktops, and a refrigerator that feels straight out of a designer showroom. You could actually cook gourmet meals here while parked by a lake. Then you've got the dining area, which seamlessly blends into the lounge. And upstairs, yes, upstairs, because this is a two-level motorhome, you'll find a private master suite. Think king-sized bed, a walk-in closet, and even a spa-like bathroom with a rainfall shower. Some versions even hint at a rooftop lounge where you can literally sit under the stars. Volvo isn't just thinking about travel, they're thinking about lifestyle. But of course, what's underneath the skin is just as impressive. This motorhome isn't running on some outdated diesel lump. It's powered by a hybrid drivetrain that combines Volvo's proven efficiency with serious torque to move this giant with ease. That means you're getting a smooth, powerful ride that's also eco-friendly, so you can cruise highways or climb steep mountain roads without guzzling fuel like old-school RVs. Plus, Volvo has always been about safety, and this motorhome is no different. Expect advanced driver assist features, lane-keeping tech, collision avoidance, and probably even semi-autonomous driving to make those long road trips effortless. Performance-wise, it's shockingly good for something this size. The hybrid system delivers instant torque, which means no sluggish starts, and it can tow pretty much anything you throw at it. Boats, extra trailers, you name it. And thanks to its advanced suspension, you're not bouncing around like in traditional motorhomes. It's more like gliding in a first-class cabin. Now let's talk about features that make this thing really shine. We're talking about smart home integration. Control the lighting, climate, entertainment, even the shades, all from your phone or voice commands. Entertainment systems are next level. Multiple big-screen displays, surround sound, and even VR integration for those long stretches when you just want to escape into another world. There's also plenty of storage, cleverly tucked away, so you're not sacrificing function for style. Every corner of this motorhome feels designed with intention, with Volvo's signature focus on comfort, usability, and clean design. And here's the big question everyone's going to ask: how much does it cost? Well, brace yourself. Early estimates put this 2026 Volvo Motorhome in the ballpark of $1 million, maybe even higher depending on customizations. Yeah, it's not cheap, but this isn't meant to be. This is for those who want the absolute pinnacle of luxury, travel. The kind of person who looks at private jets and thinks, cool, but can I live in it? And in that context, it's actually kind of a bargain compared to some of the super yachts or mansions on wheels out there. So why could this be the best motorhome of its kind? Because it doesn't just offer transportation. It redefines what it means to travel. You're not just driving from point A to point B, you're bringing a full luxury lifestyle with you. Every road becomes a red carpet. Every campsite becomes your personal villa. And every journey feels like part of the destination. For enthusiasts like me, this Volvo Motorhome feels like a glimpse into the future we've all been dreaming of, where style, performance, and sustainability come together in one jaw-dropping package. Whether you're an adventurer, a luxury lover, or just someone who wants to experience the road in a way that nobody else can, this 2026 Volvo Motorhome makes a pretty strong case that the future of travel has already arrived. So, what do you think? Would you take this million-dollar rolling mansion across the country, or even across continents? And honestly, it might just be the coolest way to see the world.